Step into the enchanting world of the dark feminine, where elegance intertwines with power and mystery lurks in every shadow. Today, we'll unravel the secrets behind this captivating aesthetic. First, we'll discover the rich colors and luxurious fabrics that set the stage for allure. Next, we'll explore bold clothing pieces and fierce footwear that empower you to command any room. We'll dive into stunning makeup looks that mesmerize and draw inspiration from iconic celebrities who embody this fierce spirit. And don't miss the personality traits that define the modern femme fatale, traits that will inspire you to embrace your own inner goddess. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to step into your power like never before. Let's get started. I'd like us to begin with the personality traits and values of a dark feminine woman. What defines her? The dark feminine woman is more than her style, she's a force. She values herself deeply, knows her worth, and sets boundaries without hesitation. She's not afraid to say no, and she never compromises her self-respect for anyone. This is a woman who is accomplished, independent, and fully in tune with her inner goddess. She's the modern-day Cleopatra, wise, powerful, and unapologetically herself. As we break down this femme fatale aesthetic, we need to remember that it goes beyond the surface, seeping into your personality, mentality, and overall way of life. Now, let's dive into the more visual parts of this aesthetic. First up, colors and fabrics. The dark feminine aesthetic begins with a commanding palette. Deep, rich hues like red, maroon, black, and navy blue set the mood. These are colors that speak of confidence, mystery, and undeniable power. Complementing them are soft and muted tones like nude and gray, adding a layer of balance while maintaining intensity. But it's not just about the colors. The fabrics play a critical role. Lace and fishnets add a sensual, delicate edge, while leopard print brings out a wild and untamed energy. These textures are chosen not just for their beauty, but for their ability to tell a story of strength and allure. Next on our list is clothing. In the dark feminine wardrobe, every piece is intentional. Leather coats exude authority, while fur adds a touch of luxury and drama. Structured suit sets convey independence and a take-charge attitude, while sleek leggings and gloves enhance the silhouette, adding an air of mystery. The belts, bold and powerful, cinch everything together, sculpting the figure and highlighting that undeniable self-assurance. Now, let's talk shoes and accessories. Footwear is the foundation of any dark feminine look. Sleek pointed heels that lengthen your stance, knee-high boots that suggest dominance, and block heels that strike the perfect mix of style and comfort. The accessories are just as crucial. Gold jewelry, diamonds, and pearls are not merely decorations, but symbols of timeless elegance and self-worth. It's about refining the look, giving it that final touch of allure and sophistication. Moving on to makeup. Makeup in the dark feminine aesthetic is nothing short of iconic. The eyes tell a story, sultry and intense with smoky shadows that pull you in. Red lips make a bold, undeniable statement, while nude tones offer an elegant, subtle option that still commands attention. The goal is simple: to embody a fierce yet graceful beauty that captures and holds the gaze. Next, let's look to celeb inspiration. This aesthetic has been perfected by iconic women like Lily Rose Depp, Alexa Demi, and Rihanna. They each carry an air of mystery, power, and undeniable style. Monica Bellucci and Angelina show us how the dark feminine can be timeless, balancing grace with boldness, elegance with strength. You can also draw some inspiration from Megan Fox, Lana Del Rey, and Bella Hadid. These women are embodiments of allure, confidence, and independence, moving through the world with poise and power. Lastly, her symbols of power. Even her companions reflect her strength and grace. Whether it's a sleek black cat that embodies mystery, a loyal German shepherd symbolizing protection, an elegant Great Dane, or a majestic horse reflecting her regal energy, these animals aren't just pets. They're extensions of her powerful aura. They remind us that the dark feminine aesthetic isn't only about appearances. It's about the energy you carry and the strength you radiate. Every element of the dark feminine aesthetic is intentional, embodying power, elegance, and self-respect. She's fierce, alluring, and deeply connected to her worth. She doesn't just walk through life, she owns every step. Now, go out there and unleash your divine feminine inner goddess. That's it for today's video, and thank you so much for watching. Leaving a like and a lovely comment encourages me to make more content just for you guys. If you're ready to level up your style and embrace your inner goddess, hit the subscribe button. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. The videos will only get better from here, so see you in the next video.